Here's another winner for dinner. Hey, it's Yolanda at DryerBuzz. The weather had us fiending for a comfort casserole, but tired of spinach, we wanted to try another vegetable, and cabbage was suggested. So we took to the cabbage and added some onions, some squash, of course, potatoes, that's a comfort, and then threw in some bell pepper. And I thought it would be good with a mushroom sauce, which was just basically mushrooms, onions, and some garlic. Used the mandolin to chop all the vegetables so that they could be nice bites together. Stay tuned, and we'll tell you all we did. So here are the steps. Now, you know we shop live, right? So you can watch us pick our vegetables. And I'm just throwing this in just to show you, yeah, I actually cut these vegetables up. We asked on the Facebook for a suggestion on meat, just like we did the vegetables. Now, everybody suggested we try turkey, but along with that suggestion came a lot of remedies for keeping the turkey moist. It came out pretty good. In a pan, we added the butter to saute our vegetables. Started with the onions, we salted that, put in the carrots, and then the rest of the vegetables just kind of went in as everything started to work together. So, added some dill. Really wish I had put the thyme and the rosemary in there. I really felt like it was missing just a little bit of flavor on there, and it's going to bother me forever until I remake this dish. So we let the vegetables just kind of steam, then went on to make the sauce. So the turkey was brown, started the mushroom sauce with onions and salt, then went in the mushrooms. To that, we added a little bit of flour, deglazed the pan with a beef broth. That was the basis of a sauce, but got to take it to the next level with a little bit of cream. We poured in some cream, and that gave us a really good creamy mushroom. So in our small loaf pan, all of those ingredients, the mushroom sauce, the vegetables, we just kind of, after, stirring and stirring and stirring. Then, all right, so put down some sauce, just kind of layered the casserole. Sauce, meat, vegetables, sauce, meat, vegetables. And believe it or not, we had exactly enough for this small loaf. And baked it off. And let me tell you, we kind of ate it before I got really good pictures of it. It was delicious. So there's a little bit of it, leftovers. And it does make great leftovers. For those who noticed the books in the background, you know we also do something called This Ain't That Book Club. And we needed a little bit more rhyme or reason for going into the kitchen in the first place. So we thought we would pair the dishes and the books just to kind of create a full story. This particular book came from our coffee table collection of illustrated and photography books, and it's called Sister Friends. So we thought, well, maybe the casserole would be something great that you might take to a book club meeting or networking or a gathering or a get together. You know, I'm a blogger. I need a story. All right. Thanks, guys, for watching. Enjoy.